Dogs. Hi, Sunflower. Say hi to Uncle Andrew. You're too excited to do that, aren't you? How about you mutts over here? Oh, that's right. Some nice little mutt-tastic little muddies. Let's see here. Sunflower, Sunflower. Oh, Sunflower, yes. Oh, you're so good. We love you so much. Yes, oh, yes. Oh, you're excited, aren't you? What about you, little mutts? Yay, dogs.
That's Lucille over here on the left. This is Bear. That's Lucille's daughter, if you can believe it or not, who's already a lot bigger than her at 6 months. The dad was ginormous.
Bear, yay. Oh, yay, yes. Oh, goobers. Yes, goobers. Goobers. And here's Sunflower, the grandma, the bestest of all of them. Yeah, oh, you're so good.
Oh yeah, here's like a rock pathway thing I started putting in. It's pretty cool. It's like river stones. This is the entrance to my house. Some nanners over there. Fire pit, standard fire pit, the old truck, and then the Prius over there. I don't know, I'll take like a long one sometime. Here's a doghouse. Andre. Anyways, yeah, this is kind of like the house.
Say bye, dogs. Bye-bye. Sure was nice.